Welcome to our Excel training. There are some great methods we use to find percentage distributions in Microsoft Excel. To use the Quick Analysis button, which is a method we used to know, look to find the percentage distribution. After selecting here, we can press the Quick Analysis button in the lower corner. After selecting Total from here, we can press the small arrow on the right and find the percentage distribution on the side with the percentage total expression. With the %off formula that we started using in 365, we can now find this percent distribution more easily. For this, after writing equals %, I say %off and select the value here, semicolon or comma. After selecting the range here, let's fix the F4 tab. When you close the parenthesis and press enter, the % value will appear in front of you. When you pull it down and convert it to %, we can find the percentage values directly from here in this way. The PercentOff formula is a great formula that we use to find percentage distributions that we started using in 365 versions.